You're looking pretty badass in your sweater. Got your Halloween sweaters on. Come on, let's go. Got my hiking boots on today. Gonna take a walk. See what we can find. Early this morning, I saw 3 doe. I came outside with my coffee to just, admire the beauty. And I saw 3 doe starting from over here, run the entire length. They stopped for a second, looked my way, paused. I guess they weren't expecting a visitor. And then they proceeded the whole way down. It was the neatest thing. And the weird thing is, or the awesome thing is that I've been having synchronicities with deer since the morning that we left to come here. My daughter mentioned something about a buck, a place that was hiring or whatever. And then on the drive, we saw a buck on the side of the road right before the sun came up. Then I pull an oracle card using my animal medicine app on my phone, and it was the deer oracle card. Then I saw the deer this morning, all within 24 hours. And then the crazy thing is that I didn't notice that there was a portrait of a big buck framed in the cabin. I don't know why I only noticed it this morning. Not even an hour ago, really. I guess the sun was hitting it a certain way before where I couldn't see it because the glare on the glass, So the whole time we were here, I didn't even notice that picture was there. And I did a tour, but my eye didn't catch it, It's crazy how you only notice things at certain moments. Kind of, they go over your head until you're meant to see it. It was one of those moments. I was like, how did I not see that earlier? But there it was. So many synchronicities with deer since coming here. I'll get an up close of the portrait inside the cabin so you can see what I'm talking about. But geez, been here already a full 24 hours and didn't notice it before. I've had a lot of run-in with deer. Actually, I have a very short video clip of easily about 50 of them crossing my backyard at my house. It was a pretty awesome sight to see. So I definitely believe the deer is one of my spirit animals. And I know that they're not a symbol of change, but they often seem to come my way when there is change on the horizon. and it's a good thing. They can symbolize good luck and grace and gentleness and all these wonderful qualities. Peace, virility as well, especially with the buck being a divine masculine symbol. But yeah, it's crazy how I've been getting so many in such a short period of time. It's really, I think, the universe trying to tell me something, and I'm trying to figure out what it means in its totality. Like, you know what the animal message is itself, but you don't always understand how it applies or the significance and depth of what it's trying to get across to you until sometime later, and that's okay. I give the universe space to help me understand it, I guess, right? And to show me more so I can. So I'm gonna keep walking and exploring and show you whatever I find, maybe on the forest floor and whatnot, okay? All right, let's keep going. Now look what we have here. See that? Tree split. Probably from a lightning strike or something, some kind of damage. Right, you can see the fray. There you go. But it's still growing. Look at that, nothing can stop it. Resilience, strength, fortitude. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. Oh, they can take a beating and they keep on going. Gorgeous rocks. These really cool berries. Interesting. It's always something to find. They honestly look like blueberries. That is a baby maple pushing its way through the forest floor. Look at that. So bright. Beautiful. Showing its splendor for the fall season. Precious. And this one is a red oak. Look at that. Another baby making its way up. Oh, look what we have here. What a sweet surprise. Oh, look at that. Oh, aren't they precious? Wow. So the water has cleared up a little bit and we can see them coming to the surface, saying hello. Oh my goodness. beautiful. Mesmerizing, actually.